50 Cent lick number 5. This one's also going to be related to 50 Cent lick number 6. Both of these are from the bridge of our song Hypochondria off our debut EP from a couple years back. This lick is going to focus on two-hand tapping, so I would recommend some sort of a muter for your strings. You could just use a hair tie, or you can go out and purchase a dedicated muter like the Groove Gear ones. They work great. So let's get started. So this section features a repeated idea that goes 2 times through the whole thing with small variations in the middle. So the first part is a descending C sharp minor arpeggio, basically playing C sharp, G sharp, and E on your first, on your first, second, and third strings. I'm playing the one on my first string with my ring finger, the second string with my other ring finger, and then my middle finger on the third string. Just descending down. From here, after the arpeggio, I'm going to connect it with a note C sharp, D sharp, and back to C sharp, all on the third string, played with a hammer-on and pull-off with my left hand. Followed by a slide up to the note E, and then back to C sharp again. So the whole first idea is... Then from there, we're basically just changing it to C sharp harmonic minor. So I know this is going to be a little weird, but we're going to want to think of the note as B sharp. You could think of it as C. It doesn't really matter to me. We're basically descending down our arpeggio from the note B sharp, going to be a G sharp, and then an E. So just change one top note from to. And then from there, I'm headed down to, again, that harmonic minor note. Instead of playing the note C sharp, I'm going to play B sharp, C sharp, B sharp, and then a slide all the way up to E and back again. So that section, the second part, looked like this. From there, the first part repeats again. So for the third part, it's basically an A minor arpeggio descending down. Then connecting to our harmonic minor idea. So I'll play that again nice and slow. So there's really just 3 elements to this lick, with the first one repeating the third time through. So I'll play it nice and slow. You got the C sharp minor arpeggio. C sharp minor with kind of the leading tone in there. Another C sharp minor, and then the A minor. So the whole thing repeats again, but at the very end there's a slight pause on the A minor arpeggio. So that's it for the tapping part. I'll play through the whole thing complete nice and slow so you can see it all broken down. And then through again. And then now with the pause. What makes this challenging is the muting. Obviously, when you do the slide, hopping back up and nailing that C sharp note without missing is also fairly challenging. So as always, start slow and gradually speed it up. So thank you for checking out this lick. Next week, we're going to have the conclusion with the alternate picking section. As always, do all the YouTube nonsense, hit like and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you.